Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at TradeStation and we're going to be doing some options trading. We're going to be writing some covered calls. So let's sell the call. I have this Boeing stock. I've got 600 shares of it. You can see it is down a little, but not a lot. So cost basis here is 230, but it's really like 220, 215 maybe. So what I want to do is I want to generate a little bit of cash flow over the next month, over a while. So here's what I want to do. So let's go take a look at the quote for Boeing. Okay, let's look at the chart. Okay, you can see it used to be a $400 stock. A lot of issues with airline travel and blah, 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 orders, economy. Anyway, you can see it's going down. And so it looks like we're about to peak, maybe. And it's probably going to go lower. And that's when I'll accumulate more. But in the meantime, I want to generate some cash flow. And it's okay. Let's take a look. See what kind of pricing we can get here. So I'm going to look out in May. April's too soon. So let's look at the monthly expiration in May. Now, my cost basis, right around 215, 220-ish with all the things that I've sold on it. So 230, that's what they think I owe, or my cost basis is, and that's not a lot. So I could live with maybe $5, $5.75. That's a pretty good deal. So you can see I have 600 shares long. So this will take 100 shares off the board, at least to hold them till then. And let's see if I can get $5.75. I'm going to put in a limit order here for 220 for May call. So if the price goes above 220, I have the risk of getting called and my 100 shares of stock will go away. But that's okay. I'm making good money on it. So I'm generating cash flow. So let's go sell to open. I'm only going to do 100 because that's $574. That's pretty good. All right. You can see the buying power I've got. Just add to that. Break evens at 225. So still making a profit. I think my cost basis, like I said before, is about 220 because of all the calls and puts that I've sold on Boeing over the years here. So here we go. Let's send this out. Let's take a look. Got filled. So let's look at the position. All right, here's our position. Alrighty. Pretty good. I will take it. So we'll just stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to see what happens in the May expiration. And if you guys want to do this and learn how to do it, be sure to subscribe to my channel, to the private stock group, and join up. And I'll be looking forward to talking to you guys there. Until then,